It's actually really easy for them to pick up how to code in the Virtual Splats environment because everything's color coded and organized in a way that's really easy for them to understand. You interact with it just like you would in person. The kids were so excited to do the musical Splats challenge to make Crash the Gorilla dance. So that was motivation from the beginning. But it was really fun to just experiment with how do you actually make a sound or make a sound into a song that is danceable. And so that in itself was a really great lesson.
Depending on how the fall is set up, I think having that virtual option and then also having the physical splats will kind of allow collaboration to happen within those restrictions that we're going to be teaching in. If kids can virtually, they can be connecting and coding together, or even physically, even if you're not sitting side by side, you're still able to see the same program together if you're sharing, and then see what the results are, see what the action is.
I guess the biggest thing I'll say about the Unruly team is that you don't just buy a product and then they just say, here you go, have at it. Instead, it's like a partnership. So it's constant professional learning, constant feedback. They want to ensure that their product is working and that the kids are using it. They want feedback from you to how they can get better. And I just absolutely appreciate that. And I feel that it's genuine, that they actually love their product and they actually want to see it in the hands of kids and see kids learning and having fun. So it's nice to work with a team like that.